in 3 years, and they need this more than ever. A playoff spot on the line for the defending champions, and it starts in Richmond. South Georgia Tormenta went on a nice little late run last season, ended up finishing in the top half of the table, made the playoffs, and then went on to win the whole thing, defeating Chattanooga in the final. An early yellow card here for Zaka Moran. One matchup to watch tonight for Tormenta is Madison-Lexington in Madison. If Madison does not get a win, then that will surely help Tormenta's chance at making the playoffs. Yellow card shown to Jackson Corey, but Akale latches on. He's got 4 goals in his last 5. Finds Corey. Jackson Corey with his left foot blazes it over the bar. Richmond. Akale from Makoto. Akale, Kilwine's header, and a diving save from Palmquist. That one nearly trickled over the line. And Fonseca unable to get to it. Vinyals. He is shoved down by Akoto, and there is a booking. Second Tormenta player in the book. 3, 5, and 6 at home. Fonseca out wide. Akoto holds it up, crosses it in. The header just wide from Fonseca. 4th minute of that one. But it has been nearly 3 months since the last win for Richmond. 2-0 against Chattanooga. And here's Suko. Suko blasts it wide. He loves a goal against Tormenta. Suko had a ton of space. Nathan Ani. And Ian Cameron has showed the yellow card. TJ Bush is available, but Hara looks like he's at least good to stay in for the final whistle to be blown. And it is halftime, 0-0.
This is your last call for alcoholic beverages.
Otieno for Akale. Richmond unable to clear. Sterling! Saved by Palmquist. Unbelievable diving effort from Will Palmquist. Effort from Keziah Sterling as O'Dwyer couldn't head it free. Vinyals barely touched it, and Sterling directs it towards that far post. The USL is celebrating Hispanic Latino Heritage Month with stories, events, and more, bringing to life this special celebration across the league. Go to uslsoccer.com/Hispanic-heritage to learn more. Gomiro. Plenty of space for him. He has it go from distance and just blazes it past the far post. With 11 goals scored from a free kick last week. It's Fonseca from distance. Curls it just wide of the post. Not the worst effort. And Amo latches on for Tormenta. Akale pokes it forward. Sterling! Saved by Palmquist. Back for Akale. Left-footed strike. Palmquist again. From Will Palmquist, but this was ridiculous. The initial save was good, but then Akale's left-footed effort helped over the bar. That Greenswell Growers replay. Sent in by Amo. Ball bouncing in the box, and Palmquist able to grab that one, but a penalty is coming for Tormenta. And a yellow card shown to the former Tormenta man, Ryan Sierakowski. Can he get 13 here to potentially give Tormenta 3 points against Richmond? Slow run up. And that is true. The hosts take the lead 1-0. Keziah Sterling with his 13th of the season. And with that goal, just coaxing Palmquist, who just made a couple brilliant saves. Makes him dive the wrong way. And Murphy making his 26th appearance, has 1 assist this season. Played with New York Red Bulls 2 in 2022 and was a Red Bulls Academy product. Richmond looking to equalize. Here's Nicholas Simmons, the Academy product for Richmond. And then Bentley off the bar from distance. Matt Bentley nearly scored a worldie of an equalizer. Tormenta are counting on Lexington to take something from Madison. And Lexington have leveled it. It is 1-1. So as it stands, Tormenta are just a couple points behind forward Madison. Header flicked on by Bashua. Ajay lays it off. Murphy trickles through. Palmquist gets a hand to it. Almost 3 years since Tormenta beat Richmond. Vanacore Decker is knocked down by Ajay. Correction, that was Sterling. This is Ajay. He cuts it back for Sterling. He's knocked down, and it's a free kick and a yellow card. It's against Simmons, the Academy player. That bounces off of Ani, but into the hands of Hara, who pounces on it and lays on the ball. And Tormenta are victorious for the 3rd straight match. 2 to go for Tormenta.